Guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp channel so you can get connected with your audience and maybe create a community for yourself. And if this is something that interests you, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and make sure that you get your pen and paper so you can take down valuable information and get started in this new channel and create content as you go. Yeah.
So, hey besties, so when you go onto the Google Play Store, you're going to see WhatsApp. If it's not updated, update yours. But mine is updated, so I'm just going to go directly and open it. So now I'm in WhatsApp already. You can see that everything about it has changed. Status are now called updates, and you can see various updates of people. And the thing is that you can't really search for someone's status now. So when you come down, you're going to see channels. There's Brain Jotter, there's Brother Shaggy, and there are other channels. I clicked on find channels, and now it's going to show me various channels in Nigeria because that is where my location is. So you're going to see Ife's Kitchen, Miriam Oyakilome, Bella Niger. A lot of these celebrities have opened up WhatsApp channels already. Now I'm going to come to most active. Let me see the most active pages, and it said Bad Bunny, Brother Shaggy, Ife's Kitchen, untouchable comedies, and a lot more. So I'll go to most popular, and I will see WhatsApp, Netflix, Real Madrid FC, Bad Bunny, FC Barcelona, and other channels as well. So now I'll go on to Netflix. Let's see the way it's the interface of the channel is. So the thing about this WhatsApp channel is your audience cannot post. So you just keep your audience engaged yourself. So they don't post, they just only react to videos. As you've seen here, I'll try and react to a video here. Let me see, let's try to react to one video so that you can see that that's the only thing that you can do on this WhatsApp channel. So there's nothing like commenting or telling people not to post wrong images. So now you see I've reacted to this image that was posted by Netflix, and that is all your audience can do. You can keep them informed of new projects you have coming up, and I have followed them right now. So now I've followed Netflix. Now go to location. Let me change my location. Let me see other pages in other countries. So now I'll try and look for a location that interests me. I'll click on Canada. So now I've clicked on Canada. It's going to show me most popular accounts in Canada, and it's showing me Katrina Kaif. It's showing me Real Madrid. It's showing me Mark Zuckerberg, Man City, WE, and Forbes, New York Times, and those are like popular channels you have in Canada. So now that I've like followed one WhatsApp channel, my status update has changed to horizontal. So it's no longer going to show in a vertical form, it's going to show in an horizontal way, which means I can just scroll and look for the status updates I want to watch, and I cannot search for anybody's status update. So now I've already followed one Netflix channel, but that's not what I want to do. You can see that when you click on this, you can still post your status the way you normally post it. But now I want to create a WhatsApp channel. So I'm going to click on the plus sign above, and it's going to say create channels, find channels. So I'll click on create channels. It's going to list a bunch of guidelines and information about WhatsApp channels. I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to say create channel. I'm going to pick an image that I want to add to my channel. I'm going to put an image of me, and it's going to resize it. And once it has resized it, now as you can see, it's going to say create channel, and you can include your channel name, your channel description. I'm just going to write Christina Ozu because that is my name. So I want people to easily, when they see it, they know that, oh, they can easily identify that it is my channel. Now I'm going to write a description what my channel is going to be about. So I'm going to say social media, digital creator, all those information about creating content. That's what my description box is going to be about. So when you see the channel, you know that okay, this is what this channel is about straight up. You're not going to be confused as to why this person opened this channel or what the channel is about. So now I'm typing in my description, and it's going to pop up now. Once I'm done, you're going to see everything in the description box. Let's wait it out. So I'm trying to type here. So now you can see digital creator, social media manager, teaching you how to earn passive income. I'm going to click on create channel, and now the channel has been created. So if I want to copy my link, you'll see this place that is written channel link. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place where you can see the various ways you can get your WhatsApp channel link. You can send it by WhatsApp, share to my status, and copy the link. I'm going to copy the link because it's the fastest way for me to paste on other platforms. So you can easily share it to people different places, not just via WhatsApp or any other social media platform. So let's say I'm bored of my channel description and information. I'm just going to click on my channel, and when it takes me directly to my WhatsApp channel, I'll click on those three dots and I'm click on channel info. So when I click on channel info, it's going to bring me here. I'm also going to click on these three dots above my picture as well, and I'll click on edit so that I can edit all the information on this page. So I can easily change my name, I can change the WhatsApp channel description and everything. So once I'm done with changing the information, I will just save my changes. And when I've saved my changes, all the information will become new and my WhatsApp channel will keep running. So this is the easiest way for you to create a WhatsApp channel and edit all the information on it.
So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I know that my background kind of changed, but I was not like in my usual space, but I said I was still going to create content, so I'll bring you guys valuable information as always. If you enjoyed this content and you would like to get more content like this whenever I drop them, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, remember, content is king, and I would love you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for always sticking around. The 40 subscribers that I have now is literally insane, and I'm saying thank you all so much. And until next time, bye.